I hope you're feeling great because we're rocking and it's Rockers Elements and Smile Jamaica. It's morning time, alright? So we're rocking. Yeah. There's a joy inside I'm feeling. Woke up this morning, I'm breathing. Birds chirping in the trees, I'm cool as degrees. Happiness and it's true. Smile Jamaica, how you feeling? We can't take a dip in at the river side me. Daughter always have to by my side. And nothing not gonna stop me from living lively.
Well, it's a beautiful morning. No have no money in my pocket, but I'm having this great rich feeling. Knowing it's a privilege to be alive, living alive.
Just a chance to get to live before the breath go. So if I'm bad, remember I don't have to hear about that. It means so much to see another day. The more obstacles come, the more I smile on the way.
There's a joy inside I'm feeling. Woke up this morning, I'm breathing. Birds chirping in the trees, I'm cool as degrees. Happiness and it's true. So tell me how you feeling. We can't take a dip in at the river side me. Daughter always have to by my side. And nothing not gonna stop me from living lively.
Alright, say I am grateful for creation, cause life spared me another moment to be fruitful and multiply as we enjoy life. Just if we knock on every door will open. So
a certain energy we no work with that. If your heart it no go down a river and go choke off. I'm allergic to evil. So if you meet me with a frown, still a smile, a greet you, cause there's a
joy inside I'm feeling. Woke up this morning, I'm breathing. Birds chirping in the trees, I'm cool as it breeze. Happiness is true, so tell me how you feeling. We can't take a dip in at the river side me. Daughter always have to by my side. And nothing not gonna stop me from living lively. Yeah. Good morning, y'all. We go by the name Rockers Elements, you know what I mean? And this is how we start our Wednesday morning with the Smile team. You know what I mean? So keep rocking. And this part right here that's coming up, I know y'all know it, so just take your time and help us sing it, alright? We're rocking. Yeah.
Smile a while and give your face a rest.
alright, just raise your hands to the one you love the best.
And shake hands with those nearby and greet them with a smile.
Alright,
because there's a joy inside I'm feeling. Woke up this morning, I'm breathing. Birds chirping in the trees, I'm cool as degrees.
happiness in its true meaning.
So tell me how you feeling. We can't take a dip in at the river side me. Daughter always have to by my side. And nothing not gonna stop me from living lively. Yeah. Yeah, you know what I mean? So y'all can go grab a cup of tea and all of that. We'll be back. Greetings.
It is not sweet.
Hello, darling.
Hi.
I kind of feel I could have taken somewhere that tune there while I was. Big tune.
Listen. Rockers Element Band. You sound so good.
No, I could have taken somewhere that. Them have me in the seat or something set.
Just a bones, right?
No, big tune, yo. Great for
Not only that, did you check the singer's socks? Did you see the singer's socks?
Marijuana.
It's called the herb socks.
Oh, the herb socks.
Yeah, it's a herb socks.
Good
morning, Mr. Bell.
Rockers Elements Band. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It is Wednesday, the middle of the week, and it's July 18. Great to have you with us as we welcome our friends on OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJamTVJ, and also on television, Jamaica.com. Hey, Jody. in the place.
Who's
She's right
Jody?
here. She's right here. She's right in front of the camera. But she's so short you can't see her.
Oh, that's not funny. Why you all pick on short people? Good morning, Jody.
I'm not picking on short
Jody's
people.
our social media
I'm
expert.
saying good morning to Jody. He's my friend. He's my very good
There are many
friend.
Jodys watching, so good morning to all the Jodys watching. Good morning, Jamaica. It's good to be here.
To be fair, is this Jody I saying good morning to?
You're saying hi
I'm
to
not
every
saying
Jody.
good morning to the other Jodys, but it's my bona fide sister.
I want to say good morning.
And she going on like she don't enjoy when I call up her name. 'Cause every time I do it, she go, Jesus, I want to them, but she loves it.
That's her face.
That's her face. Look at her face.
Actually, when we talk about Jody, let's say good morning to our entire crew here
Why?
at TVJ, because I only come once a week, so it's good
So
to
why don't you just call them-
say good morning
why
to
don't call
cameras, all the cameramen, to all the engineers, to our producer, Zakia, good morning.
Why don't you call them when you're not here and tell them
Why are
good
you
morning?
talking so much on a Wednesday? You're here every day. Let me
Okay.
just have a moment.
All right.
Good morning, Jamaica. Good morning, my people, my people, my people. Right now, I'm having some strong black coffee. You know I like it black, right? Black, strong, right, my people? But it's not sweet enough. Miss Dockery, forward.
That's the reason they
Miss
only
Dockery,
get one day,
forward.
you know.
Hold on, Mr. Bell. I want to talk to my people.
Oh,
it's a
I'm
good day. And I want to say good morning to my entire Mullings family visiting from the
Oh,
States.
yes, family visiting?
Yes,
Them
my
bring things for
cousins.
us?
They're
For
sending
us?
the barrel. They're sending the barrel.
Oh, so they know my size, auntie.
They know your size.
Come, Miss Doc.
Jeru,
Come,
Brittany, Tamika, my cousin Junior, your spouses, all the children. I love you.
It's not birthday
Soraya,
time yet.
love
Come
you.
here, Miss Doc.
Wait, no man. Wait. Soraya, I love you. Kadar, I love you.
I love
Marley, I
all
love
that
you.
one.
Junior, I love you. I
Me
love
too.
just all you babies. I just love you. Miss Dockery, come in. All my family, I love you. It's so good to have you here. Come in, Miss Dockery. Just come in, Miss Dockery. Don't be shy. I want the world to know who you are. Come in. Just come here, Miss Dockery. Happy birthday. I love you. I love you, Miss Dockery. Our hospitality queen. Our hospitality, my hospitality manager. Don't look on the screen, Miss Dockery, because you're frightened when you see yourself if you're not used to it. So let me just hug you. The world is seeing you. Thank you. This coffee, this sugar.
Miss Doc, check your pocket and rub. She just rub, yes. She
We
does
love
hug
you, Miss Dockery.
Check
You're
your pocket,
amazing.
Miss Doc.
There's no love like your love. I've never been loved like her at work. I mean, nobody loves me like her. I
Check
can't
your
lie.
pocket, Miss Doc.
You're
I feel she
silly.
just rub you.
She brought the sugar. One and a bit. I just like it sweet, you know? Like me, black and sweet.
See Jody there. That was Jody.
Thank you, Miss Dockery. I love you. Happy birthday. It's your birthday today, and we appreciate you. Let me tell you, this station can't run without you, Miss Dockery. That me, I tell you. Yeah. What I'm trying to say to our foreign viewers watching on OneSpotMedia.com is there is no TVJ without Miss Dockery.
Or the kids.
The kids are good.
See
Thank
Jody
you.
there again. See Jody there again.
Jody, you're so pretty without
She is
makeup.
not. No, she's not pretty.
No, look how pretty and
No,
smooth her
she
skin
don't.
looks.
She don't pretty.
What do I do with this spoon?
Get back to Miss Dockery. It's Ocean Beam. All right, let me tell you what's up this morning, folks. Great to have you again. You may not realize, but we're well into the hurricane season. So we've got a few tips to get you prepared. Hugely important.
Preparing a refreshing meal for the summer, Chef Alex the Great has a mango ceviche on the menu.
What's that ceviche?
Ceviche.
What is that?
You'll find out later on in the
And a
show.
mango festival you don't want to miss when we head to Dallas Castle Community
Dallas Castle Community, where is that?
up in the Papine area.
Yeah, Papine. I was just... Don't I? Just...
Yeah, is that?
Papine.
Bayanako.
It's like when they say, when you go to America and they say, can you speak that patois? You know? Patois. AKA
So
patois.
Jody there again.
Is she on camera again? Is she on camera again? You're so silly. Jamaica. Then we leave Dallas Castle and head downtown for a summer camp that will have the kids feeling positive all day. And you know we're all about that positivity.
But are you a negative Nancy? Never heard that. We share the signs that you just might be too negative.
Are you a negative Nancy? Wait. No, before we get into the hot topics, to all the people I met this week who asked me about Neville shaving his head, I want to thank Simone for the initiative. Can I rub your bald head? Please, let me touch it. You know what? I have a razor today and I'm going to take the beard off.
No, you're
Because France won! An African team won. All African people. Yes. All African people. What a great World Cup. Croatia and go away. Bread back and national. Think they were going to win. I love them, you know. French toast I make. No. Oh! It was so good. I loved it. I mean, what a great
Croatia
game.
go away? No, Croatia not going anywhere at all. All right, let's do some hot topics, folks.
Let's do it.
Well, the great news is that the Prime Minister said that the state of emergency in St. James has been instrumental in the reduction of the average daily murder across the island. That's great news. He says the argument is that it's only St. James that the state of emergency has been effective. But if you look, you will see that the point of the declaration of the state of emergency, the average daily murders have fallen from 4.6 to 3.4 nationally. We have 3.4 murders per day. Wow.
That is disgusting.
He disclosed that during the state of emergency from January 1 to July 17 this year, the St. James Police Division accounted for 51 murders, a 67% decrease when compared to the corresponding period in 2017. That is brilliant.
And you know, just coming in.
Murders a day?
That's terrible. I mean, we have a lot of work to do. Coming in from Montego Bay, I want to just take a moment to acknowledge the soldiers in the streets. You know what I mean? They were very friendly. I really have to say they're doing a good job.
What's the next one?
The next hot topic is that Russia is to sign a visa deal with Jamaica to extend the visa-free stay for Russians in Jamaica from 30 to 90 days. Visa-free stay for Russians in Jamaica. Does that go, like, the Jamaicans get the same thing? Under the agreement, the Russians will need no entry visas to stay in Jamaica for up to 90 days, covering all types of trips. Okay. But what happened to us in Russia? We don't have that deal. Somebody talk to me. Mr. Bell, so we can't go to Russia visa-free?
Yeah,
we can?
That's what it's saying, yeah.
They're saying? No. The visa-free stay for Russians in Jamaica. Talk to me.
Well, as far as I know, we can go there.
We can go. No, that was during the World Cup. During the World Cup, we could go there.
Yeah,
what I'm trying to find out.
No, you could be right.
What I'm trying to find out is if we can go to Russia visa-free for 90 days. Because when we have these kinds of agreements, I like it. But I want to know that it's reciprocated, that we can also go to Russia. And I'm not seeing that in my news feed. I would like somebody to let me know if that is the same for us. All right?
Okay.
Zakia, check that for me before the end of the hot topics and let me know. Can we go visa-free?
All right, we'll find out. I don't know if we can find out before the end of the hot topics, but we can certainly
we will find out. Mr. Bell, what else is going on with the drought conditions?
It says that the Jamaicans are being warned that drought conditions could get worse. The Water Commission customers are also being alerted to expect water restrictions to be announced. Mr. Darrell Vaz, Member of Parliament in Portland, he was saying that even though NWC has not yet instituted strict measures to curtail usage, he says it will be inevitable if what the Met Office is saying is so. Because the Met Office, I think they're saying that for July to September, the drought conditions could get worse, which is not great news at all.
Well, can I just say that my grass is dry. It is dry, brown dry. So let's hope that we can find some water. God, pour down some rain on us. We need it. I just want to say, though, if you're talking about what's hot, if you pick up the newspaper today, this is interesting because they were talking about Russia and visas. And I was just, pick up all the Jamaicans watching in Korea right now on onespotmedia.com. And if you turn onto page A2 in the Gleaner, talking about Koreans are warming to reggae music, the power of our music, You see them Koreans singing karaoke. In Thailand, I remember they were singing reggae like, you know what I mean? Our culture is so important, and I just want to remind us to hold it, hone it, control it, and don't give it away so easy. The world is looking at us, and we have the best country and the best product in the world, so we have to really look after it. Just word of advice.
Good morning to my friend Dino Smith.
Hey Dino, my friend, I give you a friend. I know
you did. No, you never give me a friend.
You
did not give me a friend. No, you didn't introduce me. I met him. I met him at a restaurant.
Mr. Afi, my friend, and me introduce you to my friend. And then the two of you come best friend.
All right.
And him no call me again.
I forgot to just tell the truth. Dino say I shouldn't do it, but I won't tell the truth.
Tell me.
Him did always look somebody to take your spot. time, him never told like how you used to go on. So, no, me and him are breaking. He's a Dean. I have a feeling he's watching. He's somewhere in the world because
Somewhere flying.
Yeah, he's flying somewhere.
Flying somewhere.
All right, some birthday times. Here is Paulina Jarrett. Paulina, I hope you have a great birthday today. Greetings coming from your husband, Trevor, from your kids, and of course from us here. Look at Paulina. Nice dressed and beautiful lady. I hope you have a brilliant day, and I wish you many, many, many more. Oh, man, I move a little bit, so, oh, stop moving now. We told you that Miss Dockery, Evadne Dockery, it's her birthday today, and we certainly wish that she will live to see many, many, many more.
Yeah.
And you saw her earlier, of course. Happy birthday to Bridget Bowens. She works at Amars. Greetings coming from the Amars staff, and they said, big up yourself, it was great to meet you. And belated happy birthday. Her birthday was yesterday. She was 10-year-old yesterday. Her name is Jordine Hartley. She's a student of Nagohead Primary. I met your mom. It's your happy birthday from your mom, Judith, your dad, Dave, your brother, Justin, your grandma, and of course from me. Jordine, is it 10? 10 is the perfect age. You don't want to go any further than that. Just stay at 10. Because then you don't have to cook. You don't have to pay no tax. You don't have to buy nothing. And as soon as you get older, you're going to start doing that. So do not grow up. I tell you this already, it's a trap. Remember me tell you, don't grow up. Just stay at 10. But your mom, your dad, they love you like crazy. And we do too. So I hope you had a great day yesterday. And I pray that you live to see many, many, many more.
I have a birthday.
You do?
Yes, happy birthday to Elaine Wilson.
Hey, Elaine.
Elaine Wilson, on behalf of the entire TVJ family, we appreciate you. Be blessed. And it's Clevonce's wifey. Clevonce Wilson's wife, Buru wife, Elaine Wilson. Big up yourself. You have a good husband. And don't you worry about him at work. We're looking after him. He's a good man. And he wants you to know that you're the best wife he's ever had. He tells us every day how beautiful you are, how amazing you are, how supportive of a woman you are.
If she's the best wife.
One wife. The best.
If she's the best wife.
She's...
How much wife him have before?
You're so much. Elaine,
So
what he's saying is,
you're the best wife
no
of how
other
many
woman named wife is as good as you.
Yeah.
He's saying you are the best kind of wife a man could ask for. That's what he told us. So we want you to know that we know you're a good woman, and we hope you have the best day ever. Buru not work today? Come in and see.
But the way you talk,
He's late. Life good.
with his best wife.
With his best wife.
Okay.
Do you have any more birthdays?
Yeah, I just want to say good morning to Keisha Reynolds. I think she's watching.
Good morning,
Ms. Reynolds. I hope you have an absolutely brilliant day. And thank you for watching. Your daughter, say Amos here up, and your daughter works with us here, of course. So, Ms. Reynolds, have a great day today. And
Wait. Happy birthday to all the children who are born today, especially our children in state care, our children who are like in foster homes and children's homes, or if you're just a child and you've woken up this morning and you're watching right now and you're like, I'm not getting anything for my birthday, I don't love life. Well, let me tell you something. You're going to be dead longer than you live, so you better live and enjoy your life. You have 100 years left, or maybe 50, or maybe 20. You better live and thank the Creator in the universe that you are here. God does not make junk. You have a great day. Happy birthday from Auntie Empress and Baldhead Baba Uncle Nevu. Yeah!
Happy birthday.
It's a good day.
We can't go from Tuesday to Thursday.
So let us all begin. We know that nothing will